Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shanice. I do beauty and lifestyle content, so please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well at Shanice_Maria. And if you are not new, meaning you're subscribed before, welcome back. How you doing? Nice to see you. How's your day been? How has your week been? How has your month been? Let me know in the comments section how you're doing now that there's a second wave of lockdown coming around. Like I said in this video, we're gonna try and get to know each other a little better. It's not really quite a get to know me tag because I don't think I did the questions as well as I should have. And if you have more questions about me, anything you want to know, let me know in the comments as well. And I promise you guys one day I will do a way more detailed get to know me video should you want that kind of content. But right now, let's get straight into it. Woohoo! Let's get started. I cut my crease. Well, I'm cutting it right now, and I already put an orange shade in my crease, as you can see. I don't know why I didn't film that. And ignore the scar on my forehead. It is from a hot comb accident. So after cutting my crease, I'm going in with the shade Zobo on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye. And that palette, guys, is very well used. I've had it for years. It's my first, actually it's my only Juvia's Place palette, but Black Friday is coming up, so you know I'm going to be copying some new makeup. There's going to be fresh videos, fresh unboxing, so subscribe. Like I said, I should have used a blending brush instead of this flat brush that's usually for concealer. But anyway, I go back in with this fluffy brush that I use the orange shade on to blend out any harsh lines. But I will say I didn't film the orange part. I'm sorry.
I shall destroy you all. For this abominable act you've committed against the gods. You cannot do anything. Yes. We are serving the living God. Amen. Because we stand by the Father, the giver of life. You can never touch any stone here. Amen. And we shall see to that.
Now I'm going in with this shade called Giza, and it looks a bit champagne on the palette, but it's actually most silvery on my skin tone. And then underneath that silver line, I want to go in with the purple shade followed by the pink shade towards the end, and that's Zobo and Bori. Now obviously when Tia did this look, I feel like one, she used a much lighter pink in the middle to really have a full effect of the halo, which I didn't do, or that I hadn't realized she'd done, and maybe also some more pigmented pink because the purple and pink are sort of swimming into each other. Hi everyone, so now let's get into the skin, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera once all this is done. So where do I start? I'm gonna use my liquid illuminator. So as we're doing this, as you can see by the title, As you can see by the title, this is supposed to be a get to know me video, so let's talk about me for a little bit. I don't know what to say. I mean, first of all, I'm 23 years old. I'm from Kenya. I rep it hard. I lived there all my life. I have one sister, one cousin but very close sister, and my mom. That's my close-knit family. And then of course I have cousins, aunts, uncles, all of that. I grew up in Kenya most of my life until about 2017, 2016, where I moved to Jordan to live with my mom and my sister, and that was a trip. We'll talk about it. It was a lot. Yeah. So apart from that, what else is there to know about me? I love makeup. I clearly, as you can see, this is what I love to do, to glow like a goddess. I also create content on Instagram and Snapchat, so you should follow me there if you're not following me there, at Shanice Maria. Okay, time for foundation, and here's where we can really get to know each other, because if you do your makeup, you know that foundation takes time to blend and you need to take that time. So let's start with, where do I live right now? I live in Leeuwarden in the Netherlands. I love it here. It's cold and windy, very windy, but I love it. Oh, I was born, this video is all over the place. I was born in Nakuru, but I'm a Luya. So yeah, there's that. Oh, and like I said, I have a sister, but I am the eldest and she's younger than me. She studies in the UK. And while I'm in Leeuwarden, I'm studying creative business, as well as focusing on my YouTube channel. So I didn't come here straight from Jordan. I was in the US for 1.5 years, and then circumstances happened and I had to leave for a little bit, for about 1 year, and then I came to Leeuwarden. You guys will meet my entire family, my mom, my sister, all my cousins. I will be going home in December. Fingers crossed I will be there for Christmas, so you guys can see what it's like, Christmas at home with my whole family. I feel like that will be very interesting to create as content. The one thing I can say about this foundation is that it just gives me, it does that for me, okay? That's what it does for me. And as you can see here, I don't know if I've said it before, but I have a scar from trying out my wigs and styling my wigs. I am not a pro at that. In fact, I am a very beginner. This is my very first wig, so clearly mistakes happened. But we will move right past that. For high school, I went to Juvia preparatories. That was fun. If you know anyone from Juvia, please let me know. Or if you've heard anything about that high school, let me know. And then for university, I was in Sac State. High school, I was in Jordan in ICS. Let me know where you guys went to high school. I'd like to know, especially if you're from Kenya. If you're from Kenya, let me know which high school you went to. didn't want to highlight too heavily, but then I'm about to do this eye and I know there's going to be fallout because of how this eye turned out, so I just want to prepare myself. I'm not going to bake until I have concealer underneath here. And if I'm gonna do concealer there, then we'll conceal everywhere. I know the placement's a bit weird today, but just go with it. Now onto some more personal questions. And honestly, if you have any questions about me, if anything you want to know, just let me know in the comments. This is all over the place because, well, no one's asking. But this is just for all my new subscribers now that my channel is growing. Anyone who'd like to know me, get to know me a little bit better. How tall am I? I am 1.5 foot tall. I am short, 150 centimeters. What else is there to know about me? What books have I read that changed my life? Anything by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, phenomenal, changed my life. If you're looking for something more fictional, I would say Jeffrey Archer. Suspense thriller, you have to turn the page, it's fantastic. What kind of shows do I like? I like macabre, like kind of dark shows. I like anything with magic, so The Witches, The Huntsman, anything with fantasy in it. A good fantasy is, oh my god, what else did I watch that I really liked recently? I'm going to do a video as well. I'm going to do so many videos, but I'm going to do a video on TV shows I like because I feel like I like a lot and I feel like my taste is pretty good. So we'll see. You guys will let me know what you think of my music, both my music and my TV series tastes. You guys are gonna see all that. And by the way, this look is inspired by Tia Tutorials on Instagram. I'll put her picture up here just so that you guys see what I was working with. But she is amazing, fantastic, so talented. I couldn't even. It's like a dream to be like her one day. Now I'm going to tap in the Fenty Beauty powder first, just so that we know it's not going anywhere. Now I know I am doing this, it's because catch the fallout of this eye, so I'm gonna do that right now, and then I hope I don't forget that this time and actually do that again when this other brow is done. But see you guys later. Know You by Simi and Ladipo. Oh my god, it's such a vibe. I'm not going to do any cream contour today because I just want this to be quick, so I just use my contouring powder. I lost the name of this powder, but once I get it back I will let y'all know what it is. So I did blush and lashes off camera, and now I'm gonna glow like a glazed donut. I know as a community we're sort of over highlight now, but I'm sorry. What? I'm sorry. I didn't hear that. I didn't. I didn't hear that. I couldn't hear that. Could you like shout over this slayage? Like, I like it when things work out, okay? I like it when I have a plan in my head, I have an idea, and my brushes agree with me, and my eyeshadow agrees with me, and my foundation stays like it's supposed to, and the blush pops like it's supposed to be popping, and the highlight is popping like it's supposed to be popping. I look like I just got baked out, and like I just came out of an oven. I am glowing like a donut. Like, are you seeing? I look straight out of the oven. I don't even know if I want to add anything else to this look. Like, come on, lashes, you're not clocking me there. Eyeshadow, blending, you're not clocking me there. Highlight, you're not clocking me there. Like, I'm going to give you guys 10 minutes, like Auntie Jackie says, to subscribe. Like, I'm gonna give you guys a minute. I'm going to calm down as I appreciate this look. Subscribe, and then hit the bell for notifications, and then like this video, and then comment that you like this video, this look. Then share it with your friends, share it with your loved ones, your family, your sister, your besties, your homie. Put this up on your Instagram stories. Let's get the word out. Let's go viral. Come on, guys. I mean, look. I'll wait. I have time. I'll wait. I'm going to give you guys a different lip look, because this is just lip balm. My Clarine's, I use the exact same lip balm for like since the beginning of time. Clarine's lip balm, and this is moisture replenishing, and like I said, we need that in the Netherlands. It's dry out here, so that's how it looks like. Lupita Nyong'o always uses this lip balm as well. Like, when it came out that she uses this lip balm, it sold out everywhere, airports, malls, everywhere. Like, everyone bought it. I'm shining, I'm glowing, you can see me from space. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Ignore the background shit over there. Okay you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you don't miss a single... I was supposed to say hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. But then my nose started dripping like I ate spicy KFC. But here's the other lip look. I used a red lip by MAC, and yep,